Hello my dear students, welcome back to my class. In the series of learning programming in C, in the previous video, we have seen what a string, how to declare a string and how to initialize a string. In today's video, we will see how to read a string using scanf as well as getters. So those who are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you can get the notification of all the new videos. Watch the video till the end, do not skip. And if you like the video, please click on the like button and share the videos to all your friends. So here is a small code of program to read a string using scanf. So let us see how this program is going to work now. So here we have the array declared, which is of character type and maximum size is 20, and we have not initialized it. We have simply declared. So as soon as the compiler encounters this character array declaration, it is going to allocate the memory based on the data type and its size. Data type is character, so 1 byte storage for each single character, and 20, maximum 20 characters means totally 20 bytes of memory will be allocated, say from 2001 to 2020. Now, so here the name will have the base address. Base address is nothing but the address of the first element. So the address is 2001, that is held in the variable character array, that is name. Now in the output screen, I'll be getting the message, enter your channel name. Right. So then I'll just enter, say, logic space flow. So totally how many characters I have entered? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and a space 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 characters. I can store up to 20 also, but I have given 10. Now the format specifier to accept a string is %s. Well, in C you don't have separate data type to have the string. You must have character array itself. Then the format specifier to accept the string is %s. And just observe here, we have not used the address operator, that is ampersand, because the array, character array name itself provides the base address, which is nothing but the address of the first element. So it is nothing but the address that what I am providing. So the name, here I have used the character array name as name. You can use some other variable name also. Now, when I say name here, it tells the compiler understands that it is the base address. So, it is 2001. So, accept this string that is in the location 2001. So, each and every character will be stored in next subscript values. So, it is L. So, let me write here the values. It is L, O, G, I, C and a space F, L, O, W. And at the end, the null character will be appended automatically by the compiler. Now, when I say print the channel name, so my output will be like this. Channel name, colon, again %, yes, the format specifier for string, and then say the variable name. But here what happens? The scanf, when it is going to scan the values, and when it encounters a white space, it is going to stop taking the inputs. And it is going to close that string by appending null character. So what happens here? When the %s scanf scans this sequence of characters, and when you give a space here, that white space indicates that it has to stop taking the values and it has to encounter. So here what happens? You may give space while inputting, you will take, but when you press enter key, then it will stop. But actually what happens? This white space, still white space, it is going to read and then it is going to enclose null character. All these values will not be stored actual saying. So here what happens? A white space was given. And this white space, what the scanf will do, as soon as it encounters this white space, it is going to stop taking the characters and it will append the null character. So my output for this program will be, so here I'll get logic. But my output is wrong actually here. But I have given the complete name as logic flow. But this space is not taken by scanf. That is what the drawback of the scanf. So what happens in scanf? When the white space is encountered, it will stop taking the characters and it will simply append the null character. The remaining characters will not be stored. This is what the disadvantage of scanf. So for that, what we can do? We can use the function, unformatted function, which is getS. Get S represents string. So how to use that? Very simple. So what I can do here is, I can say getS of name. So what this getS function will do? It will consider the white space also. So here you will have one space, then the values will be stored and then the null character will be appended. So my output will be like this completely. This is what the difference between getS and scanf. You can also put this string using putS also. That we'll see in the next video. But you have some more drawback also with respect to both getS and scanf. So if I say getS name, here what happens? Let me give the size as 10 here. And I have given, or let me give the size less than this, say 5. So memory allocation will be only up to here, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, only up to here. And I have given a very big values, logic flow. But getS will take that. So here what happens? You come across a concept called as buffer overflow. You have the buffer only up to 4, but it overflows. Even then it is going to store the values. But here what happens? This memory may be used by some other program and your value will be overwritten here. So your memory is under risk and you are interrupting other programs' memory also. But it will take the values. getS will take. If you have getS or if you have scanf, both will take that sequence of characters under the case of buffer overflow. And when you print the values also, you'll get it. But the memory will be under risk. Of course, the remaining memory allocation will have garbage value. But whatever values I have given, that will be taken into the memory and it will be printed. So this is what the usage of getS and scanf. The major difference between scanf and getS is, in the scanf, whenever a white space is encountered, it will stop taking and the null character will be appended. But when you use getS, even the white space will be considered. You will have a blank space and the remaining characters will also be accepted. This is what with the scanf and getS. And in the next video, we will see the actual program for this. We will see the execution of the program also. We will see buffer overflow. We will see how this getS and scanf is going to take the values practically. And we will see how to use putS also. So that's all for today's video. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.